So continuing with our fun with data series, let's look at doing some subtotal things here. I'm going to analyze the data. I'm doing the same basic thing using two different ways, subtotals and pivot tables. This is just subtotals, pivot table will be another video. So to use the subtotals, first thing I need to do is to figure out what I want to subtotal on. Looking through here, I could do it on state if I wanted to. I could do it on email extension, or I can actually do a combined subtotal. For now, let's just focus on doing the email extension. First thing I want to do is do a custom sort, or I can just do a sort since I'm just doing one thing. Let's go ahead and do custom sort, just more interesting. So I'm going to sort on the email extension, and regular order is fine, and then shouldn't have hit enter, I should have hit add level. Then the other thing I want to do is by state, and I suppose I can even then also put it by city within the state would be fine as well. And I go through and do that sort. In this case, I'm just going to look it up by the state, or in this case by Canada. As we go through and do this, let's see. Actually, I'm doing it by email extension. Sorry, confused myself briefly. So let's go through and let's look at the data. Subtotal. At each change in email extension, I want to count, and you see I can do various different functions. And it doesn't really matter what I count here. It's all going to be the same. We'll say I'm counting the email extensions. Okay. And let's go ahead and do an OK on that. And now click the 2, and I'll roll this up, and you can see that I now have a count of how many different customers I have that use different extension. So just an interesting little way to do that with subtotals. If I want to get rid of the subtotals, I can just go into the subtotal area here, do remove all, and my data's back out. One of the cool things about subtotals is that once I put the subtotals in, I click the 2. If I want to get more detail, I click on the plus, and I can drill down to get more detail. So, kind of an interesting way to do that. That's fun with subtotals. Get some data, play with it, have a good time, and we'll see you on the next video.